guys, so today we are going to be talking about bangs because I'm actually planning to get bangs for this summer to just have a kind of like a new look and all that. So I've been searching on the internet on like the best bangs for my face shape, and I think that I have more of like a round face shape, so I've been looking for photos of people who have round faces. I actually have a lot of like bangs inspiration, and mostly they're like Korean bangs, and I do like the see-through bangs, and I think that is the one thing that I'm going to get. I'm actually going to cut my own bangs because I don't have any trusted hairdressers here, and also just in case if I mess it up, I won't blame it on other people, I'm just gonna blame it on myself. So I feel like bangs are like nice for a change, and I think that that would really frame my face as well. So I'm gonna be showing you guys photos of celebrities that I was inspired to kind of like do on my hair, and I'm just gonna be flashing it all in the screen, and also let me know in the comments down below what bangs do you all think that would fit me. First picture that I have here is from this Korean actress. I actually like her bangs here. This is actually one of the potential bangs that I prefer doing on my hair. And I also kind of feel like that we have kind of the same face shape, so I think that this would like work for me. And the second one is Selena Gomez's bangs, and I really do like this one because, as I've said, once again, it's see-through, but then it has like kind of like a long, I don't know, what do you call that, fringes right here at the side, which is also nice. And the next one is Jennifer Garner right here. As I've said, once again, it's not full-on bangs, you can really still see the forehead, so that's really nice. And the next one that I have here is Erit. She's actually a Filipina actress, and I do like her bangs here as well. It's very soft, and once again, you know, it's one of those see-through bangs, and it's actually one of those bangs that are long. It's not like the bangs that are up here on your eyebrows. They're literally like almost touch your eyes. This is kind of annoying sometimes, but they kind of look cute, you know? I feel like these are more safer than cutting your bangs above your eyebrows. There's this another Korean girl. I do like her bangs here as well. Once again, it's the same kind of length, just like Erit. And then Liza Soberano, I really do like her bangs here. I feel like if I want to go for kind of like an experimental bangs that I'm not fully committed to cutting it like really short, I think I could go for Liza's. However though, like this type of bangs is like really suited and is ideal for like photo shoot or just photos, because especially if it's windy or since it's summer here, you know, and you're sweating, it's gonna kind of look messy on you. And I think that with this kind of bangs, you really need to style it. So I'm still thinking about this. Maybe cut it a little bit shorter, but I just really do like how her bangs kind of just like frames her face. And this one, her bangs is like super thin, which I really do like. As I've said, this is one of those see-through bangs. And here's another picture. I think that one is cute too. The last one is this one right here. And once again, it's like the bangs is like cut near like the eye area. And I do like the little fringe that she has here as well, because I think that it would be nice that if I cut my bangs, it's not just gonna be those bangs right here. I actually want a little bit of like layers on the bangs, so it's not just like a Dora type of bangs, because I think that would really frame my face better. And you guys have seen me with bangs, you know, like my faux bangs, you all have seen that. I think that bangs that I have, it's very thick actually, and I think I can handle that type of bangs. But however, since I'm actually doing this on my hair, I'd rather go for, you know, these types of bangs that I've shown you guys, so that the risk is low. And also I was like, you know what, if I don't like it, hair grows anyway, so you know what, I don't think that that would be kind of like a huge or like a big deal at all. So let me know in the comments down below which bangs do you guys think would fit me, because as I've said, for this summer I really want some changes on my hair. And I think that, you know, if I do braids or if I ponytail my hair or if I bun my hair, you know, occasionally, I feel like when you have bangs, it adds more style to your hairstyle. And also, since I want kind of like change of hairstyle for this summer, I think I could go for bangs, because as I've said, I'm still in the hair growth challenge and all that, so I couldn't really cut my hair, and I still have like a hair photo shoot that I'm looking forward to. That's why I'm growing out my hair. So I was like, I don't want to make a big chop or anything, or even dye my hair in that case. So I was like, you know what, just kind of like having a long bangs that, you know, I can just sometimes sweep it to the side or hide it would be ideal, versus having a dramatic haircut or having layers on my hair, you know, for the summer. And also, let me know in the comments down below if you all want me to film me cutting my bangs, because I think that would be fun to do on camera as well, and to see my reaction if I like it or not. But yeah, I've been practicing on my wigs, so I think I can do it. Yeah, so with full hesitation in the face, yeah, I think I can do it. So that is it for now, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!